Women tend to overestimate their fertility window. I know this because I was there. I always thought I had time to get pregnant, but then I had to finally opt for IVF. Women these days are opting for egg freezing as an option to delay their pregnancy. Is it a smart choice?
Yes, it is definitely a smart choice. They can preserve their fertility because they might focus on their career. So if they are not ready to plan a family or they're not ready to have a child, they can definitely delay their pregnancy.
What should women keep in mind?
Do not rush into freezing your eggs. I would recommend few tests before getting the freezing done. So one of them is AMH, which shows the overall reserve of eggs in your body, and the other test is ultrasound, so which shows the number of eggs which you have in that month. And also your lifestyle. So where you've been smoking or drinking or any obesity or any thyroid problem. So we will give them some time to correct them and then come back and again check the ultrasound.
What is the ideal age for a woman to consider freezing her eggs, like realistic?
Mid-20s to early 30s would be the ideal age because that is when the woman has her peak fertility. So after 30, there will be a decline in the fertility, and after 35 the quality of the eggs is showed a crash decline. So in Indian women it's even earlier compared to the Western culture.
What is the reality check about egg freezing that you want women to have?
Egg freezing is not like a guarantee, but it just buys you more time. When you are ready to plan a pregnancy but you don't have enough eggs in your body, that is where egg freezing actually plays an important role.
If I've frozen my eggs at the age of 25 and I want to carry my baby at the age of, say, in my late 30s.
That's the scenario which we are seeing in a lot of women nowadays. The uterus doesn't age as fast as your eggs. Because you have done a smart choice and you have frozen your eggs at 25, the eggs will be at 25 years, though the uterus is 35. So you will be having a very healthy baby in a healthy uterus.